'Tis the season to dip into yummy appetizers.
And who doesn't like bacon, cheese, and more bacon?
Set this out for your guests and watch it disappear.
For sure.
It is.
I love a hot dip.
I love a hot dip too. And when you add bacon and lots of bacon, then how can you go wrong?
That's so good.
Okay, so let's get going. So I've got this is like a 1.5 quart dish, just anything that'll hold like a nice
baking dish.
A baking dish. It doesn't have to be giant. But anyway, I'm going to grease this with some softened butter. You can use cooking spray. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do right now. So what are you going to do?
And I'm going to make part of the mixture. And I've got a 8-ounce package of room temperature cream cheese. Blah, blah, blah.
You'll get it out eventually.
And then I've got a half a cup of mayonnaise. I love the mayonnaise.
We like to use Dukes.
Yes, we do.
With a nice tang to it, but whatever your favorite mayo
It
is.
is good. And
That's a half a cup.
that's
right?
a half a cup, yep.
Right.
And then I've got a cup of sour cream.
A little more tang.
A lot of creaminess going on.
Well, it's the classic dip, you know.
I love it. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my hand mixer because it's old and we appreciate it and it doesn't get used very often. So I'm going to use it.
We appreciate old things, because we can relate to them.
But this will help get it a little
Yeah.
smoother. And plus it saves a lot of time.
Well, but absolutely, you don't have to use an electric mixer. Wesley likes to get it as smooth as possible.
I like a smooth dip.
I do too, but when it bakes, it's going to melt and it's going to get all bubbly and smooth.
Right.
So.
All right, I think is that good?
So easy. You can make this in advance prior to baking it. So, and again, as you can see, it's the holiday season.
Yay!
Christmas has exploded at our house.
Yes, it was my birthday, December 2nd.
Happy birthday, Wesley.
And that's always the beginning of the holiday season.
Yeah. At least in Wesley's mind.
All right, Chris, I'm going to take this.
So this is great for serving it during the holidays, but it's great for like game time. It's great for when friends come over or just sitting around with the kids. I mean, it's so versatile. Okay, so now that's good. That looks beautiful, Wesley.
It looks wonderful.
So now Wesley likes this extra cheesy, so we've got 2 cups of shredded cheddar.
And who doesn't?
I'm not arguing with you. You can use Swiss cheese is really good in this as well. That's another thing about this dip is it's very adaptable.
Very
you can
adaptable.
Add whatever your favorite ingredients are. I'm going to say that was 6 strips of bacon that I cooked and then I crumbled. You can do that days in advance. This is like 3 scallions, also known as green onions, that I've chopped. You can, if you hate onions, you can just skip that part. Now we've got some seasoning. I've got a half a teaspoon of onion powder and that's going to go on top.
Oh, sure.
And a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And
I'm just snatching the cheese.
I know. Don't touch my cheese. We've used like ranch seasoning packet. You know, if you really want to get, I don't know, having fun.
Yeah.
Now, this is a tablespoon of just good old hot sauce. Like we're using Frank's that we use to make
we put that
hot
on
wings.
Everything.
It adds a little bit of zip to it. If you don't want to zip, then you can just leave it. You can do less than, you can do a teaspoon. This is a half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to do about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And I think I've got everything.
Well, so the way this dip is right now, this is like a traditional Southern dip, hot bacon and cheddar dip. You can add some shredded chicken to this and kind of make it like a buffalo chicken dip. Oh, it is so good.
You can add like Italian sausage. I would cook it first. You can add mushrooms. There's so many things. You can just add whatever it's very pantry friendly.
Very pantry friendly.
So whatever you got on hand. Okay.
That looks great, Chris.
And it smells yummy. I just love a good.
Okay. Doing everything under the microscope right here.
Okay, good.
There we go.
So now,
you got it?
Yeah.
Here, let me.
Here, you do that.
Hold it. You hold.
Okay, work as a team.
Yum. I love the little bit of hot sauce in this.
It doesn't make it too spicy. It just gives it a little zing.
A little zip and a zing and
a zing will always do you good. And we're going to smooth that out. Now this is the cheese that Wesley almost took from us.
Stole.
It's terrible.
I know.
How dare you take my cheese? Okay, just
How's
smooth.
that
That's
look?
good. That's
Yeah,
perfect.
We'll smooth it just a little more. All right, there you go. There you go.
Okay. Yeah. And now this is again. You can eyeball this. That was 2 cups that we put in here. This is probably another half a cup that we're putting on top. If you don't want it super cheesy, you can just do like say a cup and a half in the dip, and then a 1/4 cup over top.
Oh, we like a little cheese on top.
I agree.
Don't waste the cheese.
I know. Okay. Okay. So we've got our oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't take long, only like 20 to 25 minutes till it gets nice and bubbly. We may turn on the broiler right at the end.
Oh,
just,
yeah.
just
Get
keep
a
an
little-
eye on it.
get a
so it
little
gets a little
toastiness,
browned
yeah.
and toasty. And then it's time to serve.
That's right. It's dip season, everybody.
Okay, it smells like bacon dip.
Yeah, it's hot dip time.
Oh, and it looks like hot bacon dip.
Oh, gorgeous.
So we let this go for about 25 minutes, and then, like I said, I turned it on the broiler on high. You really got to keep an eye on it because
that is gorgeous.
we like it just to kind of brown a little bit on the edges. Now, if you set this out to you and said dig in, you're kind of cruel to your guests because it is really piping hot.
It is a little hot.
But we're gonna do.
But it's a hot dip sandwich.
It is. They
hot
call
dip sandwich.
hot dip
Bacon
dip.
Yes.
They call it hot for a reason. So now we've got. This is probably another couple of strips of bacon that I've cooked.
Oh, you're speaking my language.
I know.
Hold on, don't lose any of them.
Okay. And then we got a few more of these chopped scallions just because it adds flavor. It also just looks beautiful, right?
It is gorgeous.
That's probably another
gorgeous.
one scallion stalk.
Oh, look at the sides. It's
It's
we got a
bubbling.
little bubbly.
It's bubbling. The love is bubbling over. And then we've got. You can serve this with just chips. You can serve it with veggies. This was just a baguette that we got. I cut it into strips and I stuck it in the toaster oven and toasted it.
And they're sturdy, which is what I love
You want
about
something good and sturdy. And okay, speaking of something sturdy, I'm going to
Come
bring
on.
this over to you.
Come on.
Okay, I should have gotten a little.
wow.
Now, obviously, you can just let people dig into this right out of that. You always run the risk of people double dipping. If you don't care about double dipping, then you don't need to spoon this out.
Chris and I don't care about double dipping, but some people at my party, I don't think I'd want to have
No,
a double dip.
right. I'd rather not have a double dip session.
And I have a little more hot sauce. I'm sorry, I just love hot sauce on everything.
I do too.
You want a little bit? Or you
Oh, sure, why not?
Okay, guys, I have got.
I think this is kind of the dip. Also,
This is. I just love. I could go to a party and no entrees, just a bunch of dips. I would be totally happy.
I've been a sucker for dip since I was a little kid. My mom would make Rotel and Velveeta.
Yeah.
I've been a dip. I've been a bit of a dip all my life. Okay, I think
That's why I love you.
I know.
Oh.
I'm telling you, serve this at a party. It is a party. This
Wow.
is so good.
Wow.
That little splash of the hot sauce, it does not make it spicy, but it gives it a zing. Oh, it's so good.
All right.
I love dip.
I think this is 1,000,000% approved. That's how much I love it. Oh.
We should call it the $1 million dip. The 1,000,000% dip.
Wow.
All right, you guys. It's the holiday season, so brace yourself. We're going to be showing you some really yummy food. And you guys are
I can't wait.
And you're going to make it. I know. I'm going to feed the loon. All right, we love you so much. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Make dip.